blissful juncture of Amrit Kal, or immortal era for India. Inspired by the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister, India is taking a quantum leap in terms of pace and purposefulness towards progress, prosperity and prominence. To provide world-class infrastructure to the citizens of the country, the Government of India has initiated the National Infrastructure Pipeline with financial outlay of over 100 lakh crore rupees to take the transport, logistics and energy sectors of the country to the next level. Out of this, 20 lakh crores have been earmarked to develop superior roads infrastructures. One key project of National Infrastructure Pipeline is the 1,380 km long 8-lane Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, conceived with the aim to enhance connectivity between India's national capital and financial capital. The under-progress Delhi-Mumbai Expressway will reduce the distance between Delhi-Mumbai by 130 kilometers. Delhi-Mumbai Expressway will cut the existing travel time by half, estimated to save 320 million litres of fuels annually, estimated to reduce 850 million kgs of CO2 emissions annually. This 8-lane Greenfield Expressway is going to connect many important economic hubs and urban centres, including Jaipur, Kishangarh, Ajmer, Kota, Chittorgarh, Udaipur, Bhopal, Ujjain, Indore, Ahmedabad and Vadodara, being developed at a capital cost of Rs 98,000 crore. Additionally, Delhi, Faridabad and Jewar Airport, Noida is being linked to the expressway through a 90-kilometer spur, while another 90-kilometer Mumbai spur is going to connect the expressway to Jawaharlal Nehru Port as well. In the construction phase, the project has been creating substantial employment opportunities. 50 lakh man-days of work, employment for 1,000 plus trained civil engineers. During operational phase 2, it is going to offer the employment opportunities for more than 1,500 engineers. This is first of its kind state-of-the-art expressway using meticulous measures for protection of environment and wildlife. Rainwater harvesting facilities, solar power lighting, animal underpasses and overpasses, roadside plantation of over 2 million saplings. Two key sections of the expressway, that is 214-kilometer long Delhi-Dausa-Lalsot section, as well as 100-kilometer long Vadodara-Ankleshwar section is targeted to be completed by March 2022. Construction is progressing with an unprecedented pace. To offer unmatched road experience and world-class amenities to the citizens, the entire expressway is scheduled to be completed by March 2023.